Changing your primary email on Backstage is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Login. Access your Backstage account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled email preferences or contact information. Click on this section to view your current email addresses. Step 4. Update primary email. Identify the email address you wish to set as your primary. There should be an option to make this email your primary contact. Select this option and confirm any prompts that appear. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your primary email, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to finalize your new settings. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on Backstage will be successfully changed. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.